So McConachie is my jewelry business. I create Victorian-esque morning jewelry. A lot of it is very chunky, very out there. I've done jewelry with bees inside of them. I've done pieces that have human teeth in them. My name is McConachie. I'm a jeweler and a welder, and I graduated OCAD in 2016 from Material Arts and Design for jewelry and metalsmithing. I create handmade jewelry from either fabrication, which is taking basic sheet metal and turning it into a ring or a pendant. My preferred medium of doing it is with a process called lost wax casting, which creates a more sculptural feel to your jewelry. My welding career stems from when I was taking classes for bronze casting at OCAD as well, and I learned how to do a process called TIG welding. During the pandemic time, I decided to go back to school for a brief period of time. Now I'm working as a welder for an auto body shop. I had opened my Etsy shop in, I would say 2015-ish. It was around the time I graduated. I started doing more shows. I really like seeing people's faces light up when they either receive the item or they even at a show and they see the piece and they're like, I need that. It just kind of makes me happy that I'm making somebody else happy. Going to OCAD was a dream for me since I was in grade 6. When I got there and I started, I was kind of overwhelmed at everything that I had access to, and it was amazing. I really benefited from the knowledge of the instructors and the friends that I made. I met so many people that were so ready to welcome me as me there, and I wasn't quite used to that. I thoroughly believe that jewelry is a trade, not just a craft, not just a fine art, because the things that I learned during the jewelry program, you wouldn't think that you would need those skills working in an automotive place, fixing cars, but with even silversmithing skills or just even understanding how metal moves, I found it really beneficial. The main thing that I would love people to know about jewelry is that it takes a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. There's hours spent designing, doing prototypes. Somebody's whole heart is in that ring or that pendant when you get that piece done and it is perfect and you are so happy that it is completed. It is the most heartwarming moment of my life.